Tired of rough engine starts, weak performance, and stubborn grime ruining your mowing days? Finding the best Lawn Mower Carburetor Cleaner can instantly revive power, boost fuel flow, and make your mower feel brand new. In this video, I'll break down the top cleaners that cut through carbon, blast away buildup, and keep your machine running smooth and strong. Links in the description, so let's start. Number 7. STP One-Tank Tune-Up Fuel Additive is a game changer for your car. It cleans fuel injectors, intake valves, and piston tops instantly. Protect your catalytic converter while reducing harmful hydrocarbon emissions up to 50%. This fuel system cleaner also deep cleans oxygen sensors to prevent costly malfunctions. Enjoy smoother starts, quiet engines, and eliminated hesitation every time. Scoffing it up to everyone. Reduces knocking and keeps spark plugs clean for peak performance. Easy to use, fast acting, and trusted by thousands. With STP, your engine feels brand new, runs efficiently, and stays protected longer. If you want a powerful, all-in-one fuel and exhaust solution, this is it. Don't miss out on cleaner, smoother rides with less maintenance stress. Number 6. ProLube Oil Treatment is a game changer for any engine. This powerful engine oil additive boosts horsepower instantly while cutting noise and smoothing vibrations for a quieter ride. It reduces engine wear by up to 45% and extends your engine's lifespan dramatically. Its advanced formula also optimizes fuel efficiency, helping you save big on gas. Perfect for gas, diesel, transmissions, and even high-mileage engines. It blends effortlessly with synthetic oils. Ready for cars, trucks, or industrial machinery. This versatile additive offers precise ratios for every engine type. Don't let friction slow your engine. Experience smoother performance, lower heat, and reliable power every drive. With over 1,000 units sold last month and glowing 4.6-star reviews, it's Amazon's choice for a reason. Upgrade your engine performance today and feel the difference instantly. Number 5. Run Right Fuel System Ultra Treatment is a game changer for your car. This powerful 16-ounce cleaner removes deposits from fuel injectors, intake valves, port, and combustion chambers effortlessly. It tackles carbon buildup, sludge, dirt, and gum, restoring engine performance instantly. Safe for all engines, it improves acceleration, reduces knocking, and boosts fuel efficiency. Its heavy-duty formula prevents valve sticking and lowers emissions too. Simple to use during oil changes, it saves time and money while maintaining your engine's health. Perfect for preventive maintenance, this cleaner keeps your fuel system optimized, smooth, and powerful. Don't wait for performance issues. Experience smoother rides, increased power, and lasting engine protection with Run Right today. This is a must-have for every car enthusiast. Number 4. Gum Out Carb Choke Cleaner is a game changer. Rock it! It quickly removes gum, varnish, and dirt inside carburetors. Perfect for clogged carb and choke valves. It restores engine performance fast, helps overcome hard starting, rough idling, stalling, and high emissions. Eco-friendly and quick drying. It works on unpainted metal parts safely. Improves fuel economy by preventing future buildup inside your carburetor. Trusted by thousands, it's a #1 bestseller with over 10K purchases monthly. Affordable, effective, and reliable. This spray saves time and money. Your engine will run smoother, quieter, and cleaner immediately. Easy-to-use aerosol ensures precision cleaning without hassle. I highly recommend it for any vehicle or small engine owner. Don't wait. Boost performance, save fuel, and protect your engine today. Number 3. A-Team Performance Ultrasonic Cleaner Solution delivers powerful, precision cleaning that instantly grabs attention. This high-strength, 1-gallon concentrate works like magic, blasting away grime, varnish, and stubborn deposits with advanced ultrasonic action. It reaches deep into hidden crevices, ensuring spotless carburetors, alternators, oil pans, and metal parts every time. Experience cleaner engine components, smoother performance, and extended part life effortlessly. Its 1-to-8 dilution makes application simple, fast, and incredibly efficient. Users love its intense stain removal power, leaving parts shining like new. With a 4.6-star rating and hundreds of happy buyers, this solution stands out as a must-have for mechanics, DIYers, and anyone demanding top-tier results. If you want a product that cleans deeper, works faster, and delivers jaw-dropping results, this is the one. Number 2. Northwest Enterprises Ultrasonic Cleaner Solution delivers jaw-dropping cleaning power. This concentrated formula attacks grime fast, leaving carburetors spotless. Its scientifically engineered blend blasts away dirt, varnish, and stubborn deposits with ultrasonic efficiency. The microbubble implosions clean deep cracks, hidden crevices, and tight blind holes effortlessly. It works safely on aluminum, brass, copper, zinc, and more. This fluid restores engine parts brilliantly, ensuring smoother performance. The solution pairs perfectly with ultrasonic machines for rapid results. It cleans faster than traditional sprays, scrubbing, or messy chemicals. Users love its powerful action, long-lasting value, and reliable consistency. With 4.6 stars and massive monthly sales, it's a trusted winner. If you want cleaner parts, stronger engines, and flawless finishes, this product delivers. Grab this powerhouse cleaner and experience unmatched results today. Number 1. Stabil Fast Fix delivers a powerful punch of performance, reliability, and engine-saving magic. This trending small engine treatment cleans fast, works instantly, and revives tired engines. It quickly attacks gum and varnish, restores smooth power, and eliminates water hiding in your fuel system, all without opening your engine. This amazing formula treats up to 20 gallons, making every drop count. It works on mowers, trimmers, chainsaws, generators, and more, giving you all-in-one protection. Its alcohol-free blend keeps carburetors and injectors fresh, clean, and long-lasting. Just pour, run, and feel the difference in minutes. No complicated steps, no messy repairs, no wasted time. Users love its reliability, simplicity, and powerful results. If you want faster starts, smoother power, and cleaner performance, this product delivers greatness. Upgrade your engine health today and keep your equipment running like new. Conclusion: finding the best Lawn Mower Carburetor Cleaner can make your engine run smoother, start faster, and last longer. So choose wisely and keep your mower in top shape every season. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share.